I got a delivery today, and it was a parcel that claimed to be from the Netherlands, but it said on the customs thing it was a scarf. It was neither of those things. It was makeup from yesstyle, but this is the first yesstyle delivery I've ever got. I'm gonna try stuff on camera. So what I bought is 2 of these, which are like lip tints, I think. You know, they make your lips look nice. I got a cushion foundation, a cheek tint, and an eyeshadow palette, a little one. I also got some free samples of different skincare stuff. I'm not going to try those now, but I will try them tonight. I'm going to start with the foundation. As you can see, I've not even opened any of the boxes. So I'm going to start with this, because I always start with my base, and see how it goes. So this is the inner packaging. A little button you have to press to open it, and then you have this, the mirror, and yeah, it's cute. So I've never used a cushion foundation before. This might go terribly. We will see. That's the foundation, and I'm just gonna press, I guess. Yeah, it's on the cushion. My face. This seems like a good colour for me, so that's lucky. This mirror is still a little bit frosty. Yeah, the mirror has a little, what do you even call them? It's like a screen protector on a phone, except this isn't a screen, it's a mirror. It has one of those on it, so it's a little bit tricky to get up to peel off. But underneath, the mirror is a lot clearer, so that's good. And yeah, that is probably like more of a summer colour for me than a, you know, early autumn. But it will do. I'm just gonna tap this all over. I'm gonna focus on the centre of my face because that's what I like to do. And I can't be asked to do concealer today, so there will be no concealer. I'm noticing right off the bat it's a little bit tricky to get it to spread itself evenly. You've got to like go over the same part a couple of times, which I can do, but you know, I'll have to see if it actually becomes even, and if not, that's going to be an issue. But not the easiest for me to apply because I've never done it this way before. Maybe it'll get easier, who knows. If it looks good, then I'm willing to practice. Okay, I've put on a thin sort of layer, and it's kind of beautiful. Like, you can see a bit of a glow on my cheek. That is just from this. I don't know if it's going to dry or set at all, and maybe it'll get a bit more dull when it does. I don't know. But it matches my skin great, and it's not high coverage, which is probably helping. And it does, it looks like nice skin rather than like skin with foundation on. So that is really nice. This one does only come in a few colours. I think the shade range was abysmal. This is 2. I can't remember if that was the second palest or the second darkest. I think there were only 4, if even that. It might have been that there were only 3, in which case it's both. So yeah, bear that in mind. Right, I guess I will do the cheek tint next. I have a sort of cheek tint kind of thing already, but it is nothing like this. So it's a lot of new experiences. I got this one also in shade number 2. It's a sort of peachy, orangey sort of colour because I have pinks already. Whoa. So I guess when I squeeze this, it'll sort of coat, but that is very soft. That's nice. So I'm gonna do it up close. Oh my god. Now I'm a beauty YouTuber. So I really hope this doesn't all come out super fast. Oh no, wait. Can actually see some coming through. Okay, that's not focusing, but yeah, you can see there's some colour on it now. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep it kind of light. I have no idea if this is gonna be too heavy or not. So I'm gonna use the mirror from this again. So I'm not using the viewfinder to see myself. Okay. Ooh, that is a lot of colour. Faster than I was intending. That's okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I think I should use less next time, but the cushion on it seems kind of hard, so I'm going to use my fingers to tap it in instead. Okay. Once it's sort of blending in, it's looking more natural on the viewfinder. Go onto my nose as well. Okay, in the camera it looks more natural. I'll have a look in the mirror. Okay, it does look good. It looks, yeah, looks pretty good. I might even use some more if I'm using it for today. But yeah, that also quite nice. I've been forgetting to tell you what brands they are. This one is Peach Sea. Got another thing for them soon. This is Berry Sun. I think that's the brand. Yeah. Got them from yesstyle. I don't know. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit more of this, just to see how it builds. This side, I think I put even more on than this side, so it looks slightly less natural, but it looks pretty good. Like, it's built, it's a more intense colour, but it's also like, it is blending in really well to my skin. No complaints. Frankly, I don't feel like doing eyeshadow right now, and this is just, I'll open it and show you. It is just for sort of nudes, browns. It's got one darker one and one shimmer, and it's a basic brown palette. I don't feel like it right now. Okay, moving on. So I got 2 lip tints, and this one is called Chili Brown. It's sort of an orange-ish colour, and this one is Red Coral. Actually, I don't remember which is which. I'm going to open them and see. Okay, yeah, so Red Coral is definitely the red one. It comes in a weird bottle. Whoa. So it's got a normal applicator. The bottle looks weird. I like it. It's a vibe. But that one is very, very red. So it's only noon. So So the red is a little bit vibrant for what I'm in the mood for at the minute. This is also kind of on the dark side, but because it's less bright red, I'm hoping it'll look a little bit less aggressive. And I'm also going to only put on a little bit, maybe sort of blend it with my fingers, hope it tones it down a little bit. Need the mirror again. There you go. Okay. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the centre of my lips. It's probably more than I should have done, and it looks very weird at the minute. So I'm just gonna just tap until it spreads itself around. And because I focused the application on the centre, that's going to be where it's the most vivid. And then the edges are going to be sort of subtle, hopefully. Bottom lip, I think, just a dab more. That might be too much. It's looking alright. It does blend out quite nicely. On there it looks kind of flat. I'm gonna get closer. And yeah, I've not put on lip balm yet today, so it might look a bit chapped. That's on me, that's not the fault of this. Yeah, it's cute, it's fine. I would definitely either wear less of this colour or wear it later in the day, because in the mirror it looks more natural. But yeah, it's a little bit darker than I was going for, so that's what I bought, except the eyeshadow and the skincare stuff. So it's some of what I bought. Yeah, bye. Okay, I'm in a different room. This is a few hours later, so I figured I'd give you an update. I am editing it at the minute. So the lip tint that I was wearing earlier was darker in person than it was on camera. I thought it was the other way around. So it did look quite natural when I put it on like that. But it also rubbed off, so I'm now wearing the red one, and yeah, it's cute. I also put on eyeshadow, and quite nice eyeshadow. I could have done a much better job on it. I didn't, because I'm a bit shit at makeup at the minute. But yeah, the lip tints don't really last. They do come off quite easily. I don't know what I did, but it came off within maybe like 2 hours. So I could put like a topper over and something that would probably protect it a bit. But yeah, that's my update. Oh, and the foundation did sort of dry down a bit more matte than it was earlier, which I don't massively mind, but I don't have a mirror on me, I don't know if I was looking around for it. Yeah, I don't massively mind that it's dried down less glowy. I liked it glowy. But yeah, it seems like it's a little bit crumblier now than it was. But again, that's something I can deal with. It wasn't expensive, so I don't really mind it. Anyways, yeah, that's my update.